Hi again, it's Dustin Guthrie with Elite Real Estate Services at Schooner Bay Realty here in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. I'm back at one of our ultra hot listings right now. This is a huge 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square foot newer condo in the southeast section of Cape Coral. It's on a direct Gulf access canal. And the big selling point of this place right here is it comes with your own private dock and private boat slip. And it also comes with a private 1-car attached garage. So pretty rare to see those kind of condos around here. This one has a great updated kitchen with quartz countertops and brand new appliances. They just put this brand new wood plank tile floor in the great room here. And it has these huge pocketing slider doors that go out to the screen lanai that overlook this beautiful 200-foot canal and the community pool over there as well. This is one of the most naturally lit condos that I've seen in a long time. Check out these bay windows in the master bedroom. These things overlook the canal as well. Imagine waking up to this view every morning. It's just gorgeous out here. And we've got lots of storage in here with dual walk-in closets in the master suite, and we have this great walk-in shower and the jacuzzi tub here in the master bath as well. Like I said, this has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, but the 3rd bedroom could easily be a den if you chose it to be that way. That's how these clients currently have that laid out. We've got this other really nice feature of this condo. It's got this walkout patio in the 2nd bedroom, the guest bedroom, and that overlooks the parking lot, so your guests can have a little airflow if they want. Another great feature of this condo complex is there's a common elevator, so if you do have trouble with stairs, those stairs are not going to be a problem for you, and you're still going to have these nice 2nd floor views. It's a boutique condo complex. There's only 10 units in this building, but we have some nice amenities, including this big heated pool right here and a gathering place under the tiki hut here down at the waterfront. We're in an excellent location here in the southeast section of Cape Coral. It's a upscale waterfront community, and we're offering this condo fully turnkey furnished at $569,900.